Hi everyone, my name's Tiago Olson. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Stratos. At Stratos, we're a venture-backed company with a bit over 8 million in funding to date. And I am here to show you the Stratos connected card. So this card is connected over Bluetooth, low energy, to your phone. And there's an entire computer architecture packed inside this guy. So it can talk back and forth to your phone, and it can also reprogram or dynamically change the stripe on the card. So 1 second this can be swiping as though it's your credit card. The next second it's a debit card, a loyalty card, debit card, just about anything with a stripe. Now, I want you to think about this not as just a standalone device or a card, but as a piece of connected hardware or a wearable of sorts that just happens to be in this ISO format. It's flexible, waterproof, passes all the same ISO tests as a standard card, but connects your mobile device to the current infrastructure and the rails out there. This essentially connects your mobile device through our proprietary dual stripe magnetic stripe that allows it to work anywhere your ordinary cards would be used, meaning that the Stratos mobile wallet is the most accepted mobile wallet on the planet. Henry?
Yep. So I'll give you a short demo here of how our members are using our card today. My card here is white. There are a few different flavors and colors here that other people can select. And I'll go ahead and open the Stratos card app. It also comes with this reader. Now I have a pile of cards, which used to be in my wallet right here. And I've loaded them using this card reader into my wallet. I'm not going to do that here because I've already done that, so I'll hit cancel. And if I wanted to use, say, my, the top 3 here are my top 3 favorite cards that I use all the time. And I also have 3 touch sensors correlating to my top 3 cards. I have the rest of my wallet here. If I wanted to use my BP gas card, I could take it and I could drag it if I wanted to use it now. And I could use that now. And now it is my BP gas card. This will work in the BP gas station. I'll go ahead and clear that. And if I wanted to use, say, my Marriott Rewards card, which is in touch sensor 1, I could do the same motion with the double tap to unlock the touch sensors. It'll show me my 3 cards. I'll select the first one. And this is telling me that this is my Marriott Rewards card. It works everywhere and in the same places and in the same way as your normal credit card.
Yep. Thanks, Henry. Now, it's important to note that this isn't just a prototype. We've actually started shipping last month. So we're manufacturing and producing at volume. And there's a lot of top-tier journalists walking around and also using the cards. Wired Magazine, USA Today, starting to write stories and just tell people about how the Stratos card is actually replacing their wallet, changing the way they pay, and it's been working well for them. Now, we also have a V2 of the card coming out with EMV contactless capabilities. It really gives you sort of an Apple Pay-like experience at the payment terminal, except with the convenient card form factor that you can have right there in your pocket and rely on. Now that we've shown you really the consumer side of what we're doing, it's my pleasure to introduce the B2B portion here, what we're unveiling here. It's the Stratos digital card issuance platform. In short, for issuers, it's possible to skip the physical fulfillment process of these cards, in the mail everywhere, and replace it with digital issuance that's instant. You can also get a whole lot of analytics back as to how these cards are being used. Now, I would like to ask Henry to kind of show, from a consumer perspective, what that looks like.
Yep. So say I was standing in line at a Nordstrom's. I'm going to buy a hat for my kid. I would do the same motion with the double tap. And it'll tell me my top 3 cards that are on my touch sensors. But it also shows me within context, because of a location-based recommendation, that I can save 15% of my purchase now with a Nordstrom's card. I don't have one at the moment. And that is intriguing to me because of the context. So I'll go ahead and accept that. It's going to confirm that I want to accept the offer with the Nordstrom branding, that I want a Nordstrom card now. I'll go ahead and accept that. I'll do a double tap to confirm and load my Nordstrom card. It'll update. And this is now my Nordstrom card, which I could use since I'm in line now. And it also added it to my wallet. No forms to fill out. We have identity on file, and it has been digitally issued to me.
Like Henry mentioned, that's a iTunes-like experience for the consumer where you can just download new cards instantly. Now, another way to work with Stratos is as a co-branded partner or as a gray label partner. So as an issuer, this gives you ultimate control over branding on the card itself. And we can offer some really unique advantages. You're marketing a digital card that is much more powerful and unique, so much different cost per acquisition metrics on the marketing side. And also offering a virtual top-of-wallet status. So the card can default to your card. And what this means is that it's going to be used the vast majority of the time, and then on the back end, we can provide a suite of APIs and also a dashboard where you can track where you sit in that wallet and where, what that virtual top-of-wallet means, and track that over time. So you can actively see where people are moving away from your card to a different card at a gas station or a different location like that. So it gives you just a unique amount of wallet-level data that's never been before available. Now, I'd like to invite you to visit the Stratos booth to learn more. Thank you very much for your time.